Hey Fit&Fab friends, did you know that potassium is super important for your body? It helps balance fluids and keeps your nerves healthy. But if you don't have enough, it can cause big problems. Ever wonder if you're low on potassium? Well, there are signs like tummy troubles, heart flutters, and feeling tired. In this video, we'll chat about these signs and more. So, let's dive in and learn how to keep our bodies happy and healthy. Having trouble breathing? Well, when your body doesn't have enough potassium, it can lead to breathing difficulties for some people. Here's why. Potassium sends signals to your lungs, telling them to expand and contract so you can breathe in and out smoothly. But if you're low on potassium, your lungs might not get enough of these signals, which can make it harder to breathe. And it's not just about breathing. Low potassium can also make your heart beat irregularly, which is pretty scary. Plus, if you don't take care of it, low potassium levels could even harm your lungs. So, it's essential to make sure you're getting enough potassium to keep your breathing and heart in tip-top shape. Did you know that potassium plays a big role in keeping your muscles working smoothly? Here's the deal. Potassium helps regulate blood flow to your muscles. But if you're running low on potassium, your blood vessels might tighten up, which can slow down the flow of oxygen to your muscles. And guess what? That can make your muscles feel stiff and uncomfortable. Blood vessels could even burst, which is definitely not good news. Plus, you might start experiencing muscle spasms, which can be pretty annoying. But here's the thing. Muscle stiffness and spasms can also happen for other reasons, like feeling tired, having a fever, or just doing too much without taking breaks. So, before you start worrying, it's always a good idea to chat with a doctor about what you're feeling. And hey, while you're here, why not subscribe to our channel? Hit that like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. Are you feeling tired all the time? Well, it could be because you're not getting enough potassium. See, potassium helps your muscles get the oxygen they need by regulating blood flow. But when you're low on potassium, there's not enough oxygen reaching your muscles, which makes them feel weak and you feel tired. Plus, without enough potassium and oxygen, your heart has to work extra hard to pump blood around your body. This can use up a lot of energy and put stress on your arteries and veins. So, it's no wonder you're feeling exhausted. So, Fit&Fab community. Let's talk about your heartbeat. When you're low on potassium and oxygen, your heart must exert additional effort to pump blood around your body. This can make your heart beat faster, and sometimes it might feel like it's skipping a beat. You know that feeling when you're stressed or anxious? Yeah, it's kind of like that. And guess what? Potassium can even affect your mood, but we'll get into that later. Anyway, back to your heartbeat. If it keeps acting up, it could lead to something called arrhythmia, where your heartbeat becomes irregular. It's often a sign that something's up with your heart. But don't worry too much. Eating foods rich in potassium, like bananas, oranges, and apricots, can help keep your heart happy and healthy. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to stock up on those goodies. Your heart will thank you for it. Did you ever had that weird feeling like your arms, legs, or feet are asleep when you wake up? It might be because of low potassium levels. But don't worry, we're not trying to scare you. It's just important to know. You see, potassium is like the conductor for your nerves. It helps them send signals from your brain to the rest of your body. Without enough potassium, these signals can get all mixed up or even weak, leaving you feeling numb. But here's the thing. It's not always just about potassium. Sometimes it happens now and then, and that's okay. But if it keeps happening, it's best to talk to a doctor just to be safe. They can help figure out what's going on and how to fix it. So if you're feeling that tingly numbness a lot, don't hesitate to reach out for some expert advice. So, did you know that not getting enough potassium can lead to cramps? Yep. Those annoying muscle twinges can happen anywhere in your body, even in your belly. If you've been feeling stiff lately, don't ignore it. It could turn into cramps or spasms if you don't take care of it. It's crazy to think that something as simple as not getting enough potassium could cause all this trouble, right? That's why it's important to make sure you're getting plenty of potassium in your diet. By doing that, you can help prevent a lot of the problems we've been talking about in this video. So, eat up those potassium-rich foods and keep those cramps at bay. So, Fit&Fab fam, have you ever noticed yourself feeling extra moody or tired? Well, it could be because of low potassium levels. Let me break it down for you. When you're low on potassium, your heart has to work harder, which can stress out your brain. This can lead to feelings of stress, depression, and anxiety over time. Plus, having low oxygen in your blood doesn't help either. In fact, studies have shown that also have low potassium levels. Pretty interesting, right? Now, while we still need more research to fully understand how potassium affects mood, one thing's for sure. Making sure you get enough potassium in your diet can definitely help keep those mood swings at bay and your mind feeling brighter. Have you ever felt like things are moving a bit slow in your tummy? It could be because of low potassium levels in your body. When you're low on potassium, your food takes longer to pass through your gut, which can lead to constipation. But hold on, constipation isn't always just about low potassium. It could also happen if you're eating too much fiber, not drinking enough water, or if you've got some tummy troubles going on. So, before you start worrying, it's best to chat with a doctor about what's going on. They can help figure out what's causing your tummy woes and how to fix it. Oh, and if you know someone dealing with low potassium, do they mention any of these issues we talked about? Drop us a comment below. We're all ears. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Fit&Fab for more helpful tips.